Today is a big day on the homestead. We are hoping to get water. We have been here for about 12 days with no water. We had to pay a membership fee to get access to the water, but our house hasn't sold yet, so we've just been hauling water from Walmart every day. There's some of our jugs. You just take this to Walmart, and for 39 cents you can refill all your gallon jugs. So that's how we've been providing water for our animals. It's kind of low right now, but he's hoping to get the water on pretty quickly. But they have had water. My mom filled up the 75 gallon before she left. So we used that for a while, and then we've just been using our gallon jugs to water the animals. So last night, Jason and the neighbor who used to own our land found this water. They used the water key, turned it on, and then watched for the wet spot, which is up there by the camper. And that's what he's working on right now. At this point, we've paid our membership fee, but we're waiting for a new meter. So this is gonna at least give us some water until we get the full water turned on. The pink bucket marks the spot. Gorgeous. So here are some of my soil bags, which are empty because I haven't been able to plant anything without water. This is where I'm planning to put the garden. But again, I haven't started anything without any water. I'm thinking I'm going to do raised beds in this section. That will be in ground. And then here when it slopes down, I think I might do maybe like berry bushes. And then I'm also going to have like perennials, plants, flowers. Water will be a huge step forward. Do you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Now you're going to go check up there? Let's see if it held. Orderly. Beautiful. Oh! It's good?
I gotta turn more pressure on.
Oh my God, it's so exciting. He's turning up the pressure. And what he's done over here is holding. Good news. My water lilies are sad. They need water. I feel like it's going good.
Got water?
Great job. So we're getting some water, but it's not enough pressure. So he's turning it up more. I'm filling up the tank in the camper, but it's not a whole lot of pressure. Not a whole lot of water. But it's some. Well, I didn't get the tank in the camper filled up, but the ducks are getting their water. What do you think, duckies? Priorities. She's doing a full body layout. Wait.
I'm just marking it. I gotta go turn the water on. Bringing it out the window.
So that's why our pressure is low. We have a couple leaks. But we found them. Well, he turned the water off so he can fix those leaks. But the duckies are happy. So happy. I'll keep you updated.